Okay, you can see the micro switch there. This is the switch right there, and this is the lever arm right there. So what I did was start it up, put the shifter in neutral so that this peg moves back over to here, and then I pushed down on this little flexible steel arm here, stainless steel arm, and gave it a little extra push and compensated the bend that was existing in it. And now the switch is making really good contact. And whereas before, this car 4 out of 5 times would give you a shift to park malfunction indication, now at this point I just tested it a bunch and it's 100% no problem. So this is the cause of the issue altogether. I see no reason to replace the entire shifter as they tend to do. I think if you could actually easily replace the micro switch itself as a whole, that would be okay too, you know, and probably something that would be part of a sensible TSB, but sensible isn't always part of what a TSB means. So I don't know if these are available themselves, but here's a quick cure so that you don't have to be in fear and loathing of turning off your Malibu or one of the other models that may be afflicted by this particular situation with this little shift to park indication on the dash. Hope that's of some benefit to y'all.